Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this in 2026 and you're a complete beginner with literally no experience, I know exactly how you feel right now. You want to earn money online, but every method out there seems complicated, requires skills you don't have, or demands money you don't want to risk. You're searching for something real that works for beginners with no experience in 2026. Well, today, I'm going to show you exactly how to earn money online for beginners with no experience in 2026 using a complete business in a box system that pays instant $200 commissions per sale. This system uses powerful AI tools and done-for-you content, so you don't need any prior skills, you don't need to show your face, and you don't need any technical knowledge. My name is Alex, and in this detailed video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how complete beginners are earning money online right now with the daily income method. Stick with me until the end because I'm going to give you the direct link in the description and pinned comment so you can get instant access and start earning. If you're tired of trying things that don't work and you're ready for a simple, proven path, this is for you. Let's get into it. The year 2026 has made earning money online more accessible than ever before thanks to artificial intelligence, but only if you have the right system. Most beginners still struggle because they don't know where to start. They try random side hustles they see on YouTube, waste time learning complicated tools, create content that gets no views, and end up making $0. The problem isn't that it's impossible to earn money online. The problem is most beginners have no experience and no complete roadmap. That's exactly why the daily income method was created. This is a turnkey business in a box system designed specifically for beginners with no experience who want to earn money online in 2026. Created by Mac Mills, the daily income method gives you everything you need to start generating $200 commissions per sale using free traffic and AI-powered tools. You plug in, follow the simple steps, post done-for-you content, and get paid. This isn't another course that leaves you confused. This is a complete, ready-to-go affiliate marketing business where every sale you send through your link pays you $200 instantly. The best part? The entire system is built for people with zero experience. No face on camera, no complicated funnels to build, no paid ads required. Just simple, consistent action with the tools they provide. Let me give you a full breakdown of everything you receive when you join the daily income method, so you can see why this is perfect for beginners in 2026. You start with the complete daily income method training program. This is an A to Z, step-by-step system that takes you from total beginner to running your own profitable online business. Mac walks you through every single module, so you know exactly what to do at each stage. You learn how to set up your accounts, how to use AI to create content, how to post effectively on free platforms, how to track your commissions, and how to scale your earnings over time. Every lesson is clear, short, and designed for people who have never done anything like this before. Inside the training, you'll see real examples from the affiliate dashboard, showing earnings like $532 in a single snapshot. You get visibility into training progress, income workflows, and everything you need to stay motivated and on track. One of the most powerful parts of the system for beginners is the massive 100,000 Faceless Reels library. This is a huge collection of ready-to-post short videos that you can download and publish immediately on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook, and more. These reels are professionally made, high-converting, and already optimized to promote the daily income method. You don't film anything. You don't record your voice. You don't edit. You simply download and post. This removes the biggest headache for beginners who have no experience creating content. Many members are posting 5 to 10 reels per day using this library and seeing their first commissions within days. In 2026, the platforms love consistent short-form content, and this library lets you be consistent without burning out. Next, you get access to the viral reel and hook script generator. This AI tool is incredible for beginners. You give it a few simple inputs, and it creates original viral hooks, full reel scripts, and captions that are designed to stop scrolls and drive clicks. No more staring at a blank screen wondering what to write. The tool does the creative work for you and produces unique content every time, so you never have to worry about duplicates. You also unlock the AI Mastery training, where you learn to clone yourself using AI. This tool generates photorealistic, professional images of you or any avatar in different styles, outfits, and settings. These images look completely real, and you can use them for thumbnails, profiles, or anywhere you need a visual without ever turning on your camera. Perfect for beginners who want to stay anonymous but still build trust. Another huge bonus is the secret black book of email swipes, containing 222 proven email templates and subject lines. These are modeled after what actually works in 2026. You can copy them, add your affiliate link, and set up automated follow-up sequences that continue earning for you even when you're not online. You also get the Facebook Profile Growth Guide that shows you exactly how Mac grew his own profile to over 41,000 followers. This gives you another free traffic source that beginners can use to build an audience without any paid advertising. All of these tools and trainings live inside one simple, clean dashboard at dailyincomemethod.app. When you log in, you'll find your personal affiliate links, multiple high-converting landing pages like the ATM gamification lander, Make Money in Your Sleep lander, 1-minute quiz lander, and the main checkout page. You get lead capture tools, video follow-ups, a commissions tracker, and a leaderboard that shows what other members are earning. It really is a complete business in a box that you can set up quickly and run with minimal daily effort. Now let's go through the exact step-by-step process so you can see how easy it is to earn money online for beginners with no experience in 2026. Step 1. Click the link in the description and the pinned comment right now. This takes you straight to the Daily Income Method checkout page. Complete the one-time payment and you'll get immediate access to the entire system. Step 2. Log into the dashboard and start with the welcome video and quick system setup. This part takes only 15 to 30 minutes. You'll get your affiliate links and choose which landing pages you want to promote. Step 3. Dive into the tools. Download your first batch of Faceless Reels from the 100,000 library. Use the Viral Hook script generator to create additional custom content. Generate a few AI images of yourself if you want. Then start posting 3 to 5 pieces of content every day on free platforms. The content is already built to send viewers to your links. Step 4. Set up the email follow-ups using the proven swipes, and let the system do the nurturing work. When someone buys through your link, you get paid $200 instantly. As you stay consistent with posting, many beginners start seeing 1 to 3 sales per day, which adds up to $200 to $600 daily. The more you post, the more you earn. This process works so well for beginners because everything is done for you. The AI creates the content. The reels do the selling. You just focus on posting and collecting commissions. No experience needed at all. Real members are already seeing results in 2026. The commissions area inside the dashboard shows live earnings. Beginners who joined with zero experience are now making their first sales and building momentum. Mac Mills has paid out hundreds of thousands in commissions because the system converts well and delivers real value to customers. I want to address the common worries beginners have so you can feel confident moving forward. First, many people ask if this is too good to be true. The answer is no. $200 commissions are standard for high-ticket digital products like this because the value delivered is massive. The Daily Income Method gives members all the tools and training they need to succeed, so buyers are happy and you earn a fair commission for referring them. Second, do you need money to start? The answer is basically no. The one-time investment is quickly covered by your first sale or two. You don't need any budget for ads because the strategy uses completely free organic traffic from short-form videos. Third, what if you have no experience? That's actually the target audience. The training is written for absolute beginners. Every step is explained clearly. The tools do the hard parts. You cannot get more beginner-friendly than this. Fourth, do you have to be on camera? Absolutely not. The entire system is faceless. You use the provided reels, AI images, and text captions. Stay completely behind the scenes if you want. Fifth, are there monthly fees? No. You pay once and get lifetime access to the core system, the reel library, the AI tools, and all updates. This combination of done-for-you content, AI automation, high commissions, and free traffic makes the daily income method one of the best ways to earn money online for beginners with no experience in 2026. If you've watched this far, you're clearly someone who is ready to take action and change your situation. You don't want to keep searching and trying random things that lead nowhere. You want a clear path that you can start today. So here's exactly what I recommend you do right now. Click the link in the description and pinned comment. Review the details on the sales page and secure your access to the daily income method. Once inside, watch the welcome video, complete the quick setup, grab your first 10 faceless reels, and start posting today. Your first $200 commission could come much faster than you expect if you stay consistent. Many beginners see results within the first week or two. I'm here to help. Drop any questions in the comments after you join, and I'll point you to the right training inside the member area. Please like this video if it helped you, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you catch the next videos where I'll share more ways to scale your earnings with this system in 2026. Thank you so much for watching this in-depth guide on how to earn money online for beginners with no experience in 2026. I truly believe the daily income method is the perfect starting point for you. I can't wait to see you inside the dashboard, celebrating your first sales. Go click that link now, get access, and start building your online income stream today. I'll see you on the inside. Take action, stay consistent, and I'll talk to you very soon. Bye for now.